define this word, life expectancy. Life expectancy means the average period that a person may expect to live. The average period that a person may expect to live, and how we can increase our life expectancy. As we know, in the past, the life expectancy in our country or other parts of the world, comparing to now, is very low. For example, in the past, maybe it's around 30 or 25 years, but now in the European and the developed country like United States, the life expectancy reached near 75 years at least. And how we can change our habits and take measures to increase our life expectancy. I want to mention some very simple steps, simple methods that we can do and increase our life expectancy. The first thing is going outside and get more exposure to sun. As we know, one of the very necessary vitamins to our body is vitamin D, and vitamin D is essential for our health, especially bone health, and it also, if we have a deficiency in vitamin D, we could suffer from depression, heart disease, diabetes, and as we know, vitamin D is produced naturally in our skin by exposure to direct sunlight. And if we spend at least 15 hours a day exposing our face, our hands, our body to sunlight, I mean direct sunlight, because indirect sunlight, for example, from behind the window is not enough to produce vitamin D in our body. And especially this is very important for elderly people to go outside. And if they didn't have this facility to go outside, they must take vitamin D supplements in their prescription or in their food. The other things that can increase our life expectancy and is very easy is having a good relationship with our friends and our family, hanging out with our friends. As If we have a more connected person, we have a better health and a better life. And the other things that we can do, if we have we could manage our time, is to get daily exercise. It can improve our life expectancy if we committed, or if we have commitment to daily exercise. Some scientists or some study showed that people who exercise strenuously or vigorously for at least or around 3 hours a week have a better life, and their cells and their DNA were 9 years younger than those who don't exercise at all. The other things that is important in our health is being careful about our oral hygiene, our mouth, our teeth. As we know, the hygiene of the oral cavity has a direct effect on our health. If we have problem with our teeth, the bacteria can easily enter our blood and cause inflammation, and the inflammation in our mouth and our blood can cause our arteries to become narrow sooner than those people that have very good oral hygiene. The other things that I have to mention about life expectancy is using or eating fewer bad fats, and some people even prefer to be vegetarian because they think that in this way they have more antioxidant and they can lose some weight, and all of things can help our health. As we know, free radicals and oxidant, some oxidant in our body can damage our cells. And by use antioxidant, especially natural antioxidant, we can postpone aging. And the other things that we can easily do, maybe easily do, is to lower the stress of our life or our body, be relaxed about the stresses that we can encounter. It can help us to increase our life expectancy. The other and other important things is getting health screening and tests repeatedly. It can improve our life expectancy through taking medical tests. And also, if I want to mention some tests that are really important, that especially middle-aged and elderly people have to do, we can mention the mammography for females, pap smears for women, and the colonoscopy for and endoscopy for, and some blood tests for both sexes. And other very simple things that I read in this article is about having turning off TV. It means that watching less TV can help to improve our health. There are some reason behind that, because watching TV make people inactive, make them to eat more junk food, maybe make them antisocial and cause them to be more stressful. And by avoiding watching too much TV, they can be healthier. And also at the end, I want to mention and other things. If we want to have a better life, it's better to avoid risks. Avoid risk, I means something like that. For example, wear our seatbelt, drive more carefully and defensively, avoid situation that may lead to injury, avoid a violent situation, don't smoke, and maintain a healthy weight. All of them can help us to have a better life, a better future health, and increase our life expectancy. Thank you.